everyone, myself Dr. Kumud saxena. I am going to discuss today about the basic concept of principles of programming languages. In this, we are going to cover a particular language that is called functional programming languages. When we say principles of programming language, this subject basically covers how we are going to design a new language, what concept we should know, what basic features we should know before moving on to any other programming languages. So, the concept that first comes to our mind is about the programming languages, that what is programming languages. We say programming languages are nothing but a notational system to represent the computation that is being understood by the machine, as well as it is in the human readable form. So they basically form a medium by which a machine can communicate to human or a human can communicate to a machine. So these programming languages we are going to understand through the functional programming languages. When we understand machine and human, we say these languages balances the both. How it is balancing the both? We say human is going to write a code. The code, how it is written or how a convenient and understandable code a human can write, that is given by a language. And how an efficient code can be written which can be easily executed and computed by a machine, that is also given by a language. So this language balances both, whether it is a human readable form or whether it is a machine readable form. So we are going to understand these two things. When we move further, we say these programming languages have a paradigm, that is they are categorized into different categories. What are these categories? We say the paradigms of programming languages can be given in 4 ways. What are 4 ways? First is imperative. Second is object oriented. Third is rule based. And fourth is your functional based, that we are going to emphasize today. So when we talk about imperative languages, we say these are languages which are based on simple statements. As we say, a program is nothing but a set of statements. So sequentially when we execute each and every statement in a program, that is given by an imperative type of programming language. In this imperative languages, what we do is every statement is executed and every statement changes the state of the machine. So it is completely changing the state of a machine on every execution, on every single statement changes. Second is object oriented languages. What are these languages? When we were relating our data with the real world, it was very difficult to relate. So these object-oriented languages divided the concept in the form of objects. That we are going to understand data in the form of objects. So these data objects which are being created for the real world applications, they say that through data structures and algorithms, we have abstraction of data. That means we are keeping the data together and working on it according to the use of the real world. So that is the concept of object-oriented languages. There are different features by which object-oriented language is implemented or abstraction is implemented through polymorphism, through your inheritance, encapsulation, by which we can say this feature has been implemented. Third is your rule-based language. As the name suggests, rule-based languages is where we have the form of predicate calculus. That means if the first condition is true, certain type of actions will be taking place. If the condition is false, then some other appropriate actions will take place. So we decide based on the conditions occurring. This language is also known as your declarative or your logic-based languages. The fourth language that we are going to emphasize today is your functional languages. These languages are basically based on function concept. We say every program is going to behave like a function. It is based on the mathematical functions. So when we talk about these mathematical functions, so first thing comes to our mind is there is something, calculations is included into it. That's why it is known as mathematical function. So moving on to functional languages, let's first understand what is this mathematical functions. As we say, these languages are based on functions, and these functions specifically we say mathematical functions. That means we are taking input as a function and we are giving result as a function. That is your functional programming languages. So this mathematical function we say it is nothing but simply a mapping of one set of data to the another set of data. What are these two sets? This is known as the domain and this is known as the range. Now how we define this domain and range? For example, if I say I have a function which says fx x modulus 2. So this is a function, this is the expression given by this function. If we put on some values to x, suppose if I say 2, 4, 5, 3, 7. So these values are going to form the domain of that function. That is 2, 4, 5, 3 and 7. And the results we obtain by placing these values into this function, that will be the range of the function. For example, if I put 2 here, I get the result as 2 modulus 2, that will be equal to 1. Sorry, it will be equal to 0. If I put 4, 4 modulus 2, that will give me 0. If I put 5 modulus 2, I will get the result as 1. If I put 3, 3 modulus 2, this will give me 1. If I put 7, 7 modulus 2, this will also give me 1. So what range I am getting here is from 0 to 1. So that becomes the range of my function. When I map these two, 2 is mapped to 0, 4 is mapped to 0, 5 to 1, 3 to 1, 7 to 1. So there can be different relationship being followed, many to 1, 1 to many, but here we are having many to 1 relationship. This is the domain and this is the range of the function. Based on this, we have our functional programming languages.